All right, well, we're going to call this serving tray number 1. And we're going to shift gears from cutting boards to serving tray. I got the handles and everything cut out. Now I'm going to take my files, which are in my toolbox, and grab them out. This sucker, I don't know about those ones. Maybe that one. And the flat one. Those two for sure. And we're going to do some filing this up, cleaning this up, get it ready to route the edges. So let's say, yep, and let you watch me file. That's just filing work, but something to watch. All right, well, that was me hand file on these handles out. A little bit more work right there. All right, well, when we run the router, it'll clean this really up. And then, yeah, probably should run it through the drum sander, clean it up a little more, maybe one more 2-pass. All right, see ya. All right, I ran it through the drum sander. Man, what I could do? I wonder if I could run it on the spindle sander over here. Let's try that. Come with me and let's go see if there's a spindle sander. Good.